Today we're going to be making a delicious bacon and halloumi wrap with red cabbage, carrot, lettuce, onion, chilli stuff. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the red cabbage. I need to sharpen my knives. Actually, that's a lie. I need to learn to sharpen my knives because I've tried sharpening them and I just made them blunter. An eighth, is that less than a quarter? Isn't it? An eighth of a red cabbage, and we're going to really finely chop it. We're going to get the heat on our pan, drizzle in some olive oil, and basically what we're going to do is we're just going to fry off the red cabbage in a bit of butter, some chili flakes, a bit of seasoning, a bit of brown sugar. Need some brown sugar just to make them a little bit sweet and sticky, just to take the tang off them, I suppose. But again, if you don't like red cabbage or you want to keep it in there nice and fresh, then you can just skip this step, throw it in, chop it up, throw it in as it is. What a disaster! Season to taste with a bit of salt and pepper. Where's my pepper? There's my pepper. And in there, we are going to add, I don't really know how to quantify butter without weighing it, that much. Chuck that in. That's probably a little bit too much, actually. Look, I'm just waving a knife. So that bit of butter over there we don't need. We're persevering. As you can tell, today we're in and out of rain showers. We're on a busy beach, but I am not giving up. We have come this far. So, red cabbage sliced in over the heat, butter, salt, pepper, oil, and then we are going to add some dried chili flakes, probably half a teaspoon. And we are just literally going to let that simmer away in the background, just stirring occasionally. But as that's cooking away, we're going to get our streaky bacon and halloumi on the go so we can move all of this crap out of the way. I really need to invest in a bigger fucking table tonight. And we'll get our bacon cooking away. I've got a sandy knife now. I'd rather have a sandy. Like I said, we'll just keep that stirring away. The best thing about these wraps is you can just put in whatever you fancy. If there's something here that you go, ooh, ooh, that's a bit of me, by all means follow along. If you're looking at this cabbage going, no thank you, just miss it, just skip it, you don't need it. But I just love how all these different colours and flavours come together, and promise me, just hear me out on it because it does taste incredible. Anyway, so our bacon is starting to cook. We can get our halloumi sliced. Don't go too thin with it because it burns really quickly and goes all crusty and horrible. So we'll slice up half a block of halloumi. Cue the music for a windshield interlude. Oh, the realities of cooking by the seaside. Could be worse. Our bacon is now sizzling away, so we can chuck in 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of halloumi. Now our cabbage is looking nice and soft. We can add in adding a little sprinkle of brown sugar, just to help caramelise it off, sweeten it up. Stir that in. So now we're going to get that nice sticky, sweety, spicy kind of vibe, almost like a bit of a chutney, I guess. Risky business. I love living dangerously. Only just got enough ingredients and I'm trying to drain the pan. What could possibly go wrong? Keep an eye on your halloumi because Uncle Harry will not... I'm going to roll with that. Anyway, as I was saying, keep an eye on your halloumi because Uncle Harry will not forgive you if you let it burn, because wasted halloumi is a criminal offence in my book and I will never speak to you again if you waste halloumi. Cool, so bacon, halloumi, cabbage. We are in... The gods are trying to send us a message, but I definitely can't use that. So as this is all sizzling away, it's probably going to take a while because of the wind and, as you can tell, the utter carnage it is befalling us today. Get the carrot peeled. So we'll grate the carrot. Nice. Raw carrots, yes or no? Stick it in the comment below because, as you can tell, yes, but someone apparently not. If you didn't hear that, that was a worryingly accurate impression of a donkey from an arse. So our cabbage is done, so let's get that off to heat. We're then going to take a little bit of lettuce and just, again, like we did with the cabbage, just cut it into nice little crispy strips. Now, obviously, if you're doing this in your own kitchen, the bacon and halloumi will be done in a matter of minutes, really. A bit like me. The bacon and halloumi will be done very quickly. There we go. Oh, lovely and golden. Oh, that one wasn't lovely and golden. Windshield break. 3 hours later. Wasps! Every time! It's the same bastard wasp. Go on, f*** off. Hopefully the windshield is helping. I don't really know what to do now. It's a bit of a waiting game. How are you? How are the kids? Oh. Woo. Oh. Glorious. Hello? Do you want some bacon? Oh. They're a good judge of character, aren't they? I don't exist. Halloumi, nice. Wraps. So now we've got a nice bit of colour on the bacon, halloumi's done, we've got everything else that's going in the wrap. It's now time to start construction, start building. So there is no right way, there is no wrong way of building a wrap. We're going to go in with some jalapeno jam. Chili jam's in goes our halloumi. Nice, followed by, where's my spoon? Our spicy red cabbage. Glorious streaky bacon. Lettuce. Let us enjoy this meal. Then in with our grated carrot. Last but not least, little season of my crotch with this wind. Little season, nice. I've just absolutely molested that. What a car crash. Lovely. So now that's looking like a spectacular rainbow. I've got to work out how the fuck I'm going to roll this up. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Another obligatory thing with these is you toast them. So we need to get our pan absolutely screaming hot. Go bottom side down. Someone has made a complete mess down here and I just don't know who it is. Nice. Make sure you toast all sides of your wrap. Cool, so our wrap is golden brown all around, so you know what that means. B-roll. Oh, I'm gutted. This is by far the nicest looking thing I've made on the beach and it's pissing down. I think you'll agree that this looks spectacular. Suddenly, this doesn't matter. Try it. As usual, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe, comment, like, follow, do all of that kind of good stuff that you already do, and I'll see you in the next one.